Well, hello everybody and welcome to Chef's Baking Blog. Today I'm going to make something which is not baking. It's a recipe I saw for a no churn ice cream, mint and dark chocolate or dark chocolate chip. Very simple. It only has cream, mint flavour, or the flavour from mint leaves, and condensed milk and dark chocolate. So I'll go on to the ingredients, and here I have 600 grams of double cream. That works out at about 2 1/3 cups, something like that. Just slightly over 2 1/3 cups. Then I have 30 grams of the leaves from mint, and I've washed those and chopped them roughly. I have 1 tin of condensed milk, which I don't need yet, and I'm going to use 100 grams of dark chocolate, although I may use just dark chocolate chips just for ease. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to infuse this cream with the mint leaves, and I'm going to do that and put it in the fridge and leave it overnight. So I'm going to take the leaves and I'm going to rub them between my fingers, which is going to help to release the oils. Excuse me, help to release the oils. And I'm simply going to drop them into the cream, and then when it's all in, I'm going to stir it around. So with the mint in, I'm simply going to take a spoon and stir it around. Like that, and then I'm simply going to cover it and put it in the fridge and leave it overnight, and then in the morning I can continue to make the ice cream. And the first thing we will do is to strain the cream to remove those mint leaves but leave the flavour behind. So I'll be back in the morning when we can strain this and go on to make the ice cream. So my cream with the mint in has been in the fridge overnight, and so the flavour of the mint should have infused into the cream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain that cream now into a larger bowl so that I can remove the mint leaves. And I'm just going to press it down to get all the cream out. Now I should say that if you wanted to add some food colouring, a couple of drops of green food colouring, you could colour the ice cream if you wanted to. I don't think it's necessary. It's the flavour that's the important thing. So I think that's good enough. And I'm just going to put a little bit more in. It's sunk down. That's good. So with the cream in the bowl, I'm going to now whip that until it achieves stiff peaks. So that's now achieved stiff peaks, as you can see, and that's all I need. So I just shake off my whisk, and then I'm going to fold the condensed milk into the cream mixture, and I'm going to add it a little bit at a time. I'll try not to knock the air out of the cream. So that's about good enough, I think, because I'm going to stir it some more with the chocolate chips, or chocolate, and this is just a bar of chocolate, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, that I've chopped up into pieces. I'm going to put that in and stir that through. And that's good enough like that. And then I need to put that into a container which can go into the fridge. Into the freezer, sorry, not the fridge. And that's good like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lid onto that container, and I'm going to put that into the freezer, and I'm going to allow it to freeze for at least 4 hours, and by that time it should be set firm. And once it's set firm, I will take it out of the fridge and leave it for about 10 minutes or so that I can then scoop it, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like and we'll have a taste of it. So it's actually now been about 6 hours since I put the mint and chocolate chip ice cream in the freezer. I've taken it out and I've scooped out some of the ice cream, and I actually left it on the counter for about 10 minutes, and then I scooped it out like this, and it looks quite good, as you can see. And I've already had a little taste, I must admit, and it tastes very good, but I'll have a taste now. It's lovely and smooth, has that delicious mint flavour running right through the ice cream, and then you get the chocolate chips as well. So it's very, very good, I have to say, and so easy to make. In fact, I'm thinking that I'm going to do another one next week using limoncello to give it a lemon flavour. I'll think about that. But so this is a very simple recipe and perfect for a hot day like today. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please give me the thumbs up below and click to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the top right hand corner of the screen there will be an eye that you can click on, and that will take you to a link for this recipe, and I'll put a link below the video as well, and I'll be back with another recipe in the very near future. So until then, happy baking.